And we're live in Carpinteria,
California.
It's a beautiful evening. I just arrived and had a burger.
And had a burger, and I've been here and I had a burger.
Yep.
Sunset.
You got me feeling like I'm unignited. You got me feeling like I'm wasting time. You got me feeling like I'm unexcited.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We are here in Carpinteria in Anasavio at Lucky Llamas.
You got me feeling like I'm going outside. You got me feeling like I won't even like it. You got me feeling. You got me feeling. You are.
Right, Hannah is going to her prenatal massage. How are we feeling?
I'm ready for it. It's actually a prenatal workout.
Oh, no massage. We got Ellie over there walking with Hannah.
You got me feeling. You got me feeling. You got me feeling. You got me feeling like I'm just.
We are about to run
A half marathon.
a half marathon.
We're gonna do sub 6 miles, so it should be pretty good.
Mile zero. Alright, here we go. Okay, the altitude is not too bad here. Alright, we're half a mile in, feeling good. We are running mile 1.8, feeling good. Made it to the cliff. Life is hot and sweaty, but we are here. We had 3.5 and we made it mile 4. Now it's the water. Not good news. Michael got stung, but he's gonna survive.
The thing is, I knew that it was one when I stepped on it. And I tried to pull my foot up, and then it got me.
Another day of paradise. He was trying to be beautiful. Cut.
We successfully got everyone in at a table. We are testing out this water from Carpinteria.
Yeah.
Headed to ice cream. Where is it?
Rory's across the street.
Very satisfied with this ice cream. Shout out Rory's. Shout out organic ice cream. Shout out gluten-free waffle cones. Life's amazing.
We got Hannah and Tia Cindy on the couch. Let's see how they're doing. How you guys doing?
So good. So she goes before. Ellie, I know you didn't like me at first, but please, like, be home now. I don't want it. I feel great. No.
Closed the shop, sold the house, bought a ticket to the West Coast.
Good morning. It's Saturday and we are feeling great. Hannah had a funny dream about a plane crash. That was funny, not scary.
I don't need you to worry for me, 'cause I'm alright. I don't want you to tell me it's time to come home.
Just got a sweatshirt and 2 books and now we're headed back to
Care what you say,
the beach with the people and the places.
life. Go ahead with your own life, leave me alone. Never said you had to offer me a second chance. I never said I was a victim of circumstance. I still belong. Don't get me wrong.
describe Carpinteria? Or this time? Blissful.
All my memories gather what? Gather round her. Minor lady, stranger to blue waters. Dark and dusty, waiting on the skies. Misty tales of moonshine, teardrops in my eyes. Country roads, take me home.